Here are the instructions on how to create custom draw runner machining. We are starting off in AutoCAD and I have already selected a standard library draw unit. Please note, if the new draw system you are wanting to create custom drilling for requires different size components, you have to draw them to the manufacturer's recommended sizes in your CAD system. Select the item and send it through to Analyzer Manufacturing. In Analyzer Manufacturing, I always like to fill in the job's detail page. Here I am showing the job coming through with no machining. I run geometry scripts and now the components have the machining added. Here you can see the cutting list. The draw component names need to be as follows: DRW front, DB bottom, DB back. In other draw styles you may need DB front, DB side. In the part type is where the draw machining is specified. We are using draws called TAND. Now we are going to go to User Settings, Script Setup. We are going to create a draw style in Configuration 7. The first thing we have to set up is the draw style part type. For this example we are using custom. The first part we are going to work on is DRW front drilling. We are going to specify the hole X offset, hole Y offset, hole diameter, depth, and drill type. Now we are going to set up a second hole filling in the same fields as before. The next part we are going to fill in is the part end drilling. We start by filling in the diameter, depth, tool type, and first row distance. The first row distance is measured from the underside of DB bottom. Now we are going to fill in the different draw runner lengths. We have to go through and set up the position of the holes from the front edge of the part end. We now go to the next size draw runner and keep filling in all the relevant fields. In the next part we are going to fill in the DB back. We start with the first hole, which is X offset, Y offset, diameter, depth, and drill type. Now we are filling in the second hole. The last part is the DB bottom. We have provision to add drilling and routing to this part, but for this example we are not going to add any machining to the DB bottom. File save. Close the questionnaire and now we are back to the Analyzer screen. Go to the Home tab and press Reload config file. Reloading this file updates the change you have made to your current scripts. Now you can see that we have overwritten the Analyzer setting, XML file. We go back to our cut list area and change the draw component part types. Start by adding our new draw style to the DRW fronts. If we rerun the geometry scripts, you will be able to see your new hole definitions. If we go back to the cutting list area, we can add the new draw style to other draw components. Run geometry scripts again to view the changes made. This drilling can be edited and changed as you go. We will now make some changes to the end drilling only. Go to User Settings, Script Setup. Pick Draw Style 7. We will add a second row of holes to the part end for draw runners. File, save. Close the script questionnaire. Go back to Home and reload the configuration file. Rerun the geometry script to view the changes made. We hope this explains clearly how to set up a custom drilling style. If you have any questions, please just send us an email.